Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, we got NTV in the building one more time, you all. And NTV has definitely been getting down. He has been doing his thing. The name of this watch face is called Hybrid Transform and Colors NTV 439. I thought this was a good look for a casual dress down fitness watch face for everyday wear. You are going to be able to get a good look at your time and your info at a glance in the AOD mode. Once the watch face is on, I like the blend of the numbers, right? Some are small, some are big. You got a couple of dials that's going to give you your step information like calories burned, heart rate information, step info, floors climbed. Going to get your date information, which is important to a lot of people. You are going to get the best of both worlds because you will be able to get analog time as well as digital. I really like that look at that smooth second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch with that red tip on it, right? Looks absolutely nice. So let's go ahead. Let's check out the features and functions of this watch face. Another thing that I like about the watch face before we go on is that black background, which really brings out the details of this watch face as well. But let's check out the features and functions. Now, first off, if I want to change the colors, I can double tap down at the bottom and I can change this to 19 different colors if I want. And you will be able to get some solid colors out of this one. Don't worry about it. Just keep tapping till you get to the solid colors. Go through green. Let's go through some more. Got to tap in the right place. You got blue. Quite sure you got red. Just cycle through and find your favorite color. You will be able to go into your data information. If I come over here, I can go into my step info, which many of you all look for because you're into steps. You got your weather. So I thought this was a good look from the developer. Now, what I really like about this watch face, right, is this. Double tap at the top. And this lets you know where all your information is, just in case you forget. Double tap again, you get rid of it. Double tap here. Well, hold on. Let me double tap one more time, right? Because it gets rid of some more information. I like this look a lot better. You tell me in the comment section down below. Double tap, and I'll be able to change the analog hands as well. Got to tap on the side, precise. Let me try this one. There you go. You see it? Tap over here one more time. And yes, it changes the analog hands. So if you want to customize the theme of the analog hands, that's going to be up to you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I thought NTV did a really good job on this watch face. I love the customization. This guy continues to exhale. Now, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts overall about this watch face. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Smash that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to see you all at the next video as always. And remember, you all, continue to be safe. And I see you all at the next one. Take care.